For this tutorial, we will be using the Galaxy DIY balloon box from FettyFest.com, which includes 32 5-inch balloons, 64 12-inch balloons, and 4 18-inch balloons with 2 large foils. If this is your first balloon garland, we recommend starting with our general tips and tricks video for time-saving tips and installation instructions. Let's start by inflating your balloons. As you inflate the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons, tie into pairs and set aside. Since our garland has a blended color scheme, mix and match your colors, but make sure to only tie 5-inch with 5-inch and 12-inch with 12-inch. Once all your balloons are in pairs, take 2 pairs that are the same size and twist them together at the knots to make a cluster of 4 called a quad. Repeat this step until all the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons are in quads. Now take your 5-inch quads and tie them into pairs using one of the included string balloons. This will help us attach them later. Inflate the 18-inch balloons and tie shut with a string balloon. Set these aside and we will add them back in at the end. Inflate the included foils using a handheld pump included in your box. Tape the valve closed with Scotch tape when you are finished and set aside for later. Now let's put it all together. Tie one of the included string balloons to your first 12-inch quad with a simple knot. Place the second quad on top of the first and wrap the string and balloon around 2 of the balloons in the second quad in a figure 8. Repeat this step for all the 12-inch quads, tying on additional string balloons when needed. Since all of the quads that you made were mixed, the order is not important. Once you have assembled the main part of the garland, this is a great time to attach to the wall. You can reference our general tips and tricks videos for tips on installation. Attach the 18-inch balloons to the garland by wrapping the string balloon around one of the 12-inch balloons in the garland. Now let's take the sets of 5-inch quads, stretch them apart, and floss them down between the 12-inch balloons. You can twist these around to put them in the perfect position. To make the Saturn rings, inflate the included metallic string balloons to 2/3 full. Wrap around the desired balloons and tie the ends, making sure that the knot faces the wall. I'll demonstrate the process on a balloon that's not attached so that you can see the process a little bit closer. Lastly, attach the foils using the included glue dots. Simply place the glue dots on top of a latex balloon, peel the backing, and then hold the foil to the latex balloon for 10 to 15 seconds. We recommend attaching at 2 or more points.